Present video depicts the concept of mother in newborn intensive care unit at Safdarjung Hospital for both inborn and outborn babies.
Greetings from Safdarjung Hospital. Safdarjung Hospital is one of the sites for multi-center, multi-country immediate kangaroo mother care study. Currently, newborns with birth weight less than 1.8 kg are shifted to newborn ICU and mothers visit NICU intermittently from postnatal wards. For the immediate KMC study, the mother newborn ICU was created so that small and sick neonates and their mothers are cared together 24/7 from birth till discharge to achieve zero separation. As soon as the baby is born, he or she is placed on mother's abdomen. After initial care at birth, baby is put in kangaroo mother care position with mother or surrogate and transferred to MNICU in KMC position, thus providing immediate kangaroo mother care. If required, CPAP is also given in KMC position. Each mother-baby diet cubicle has all provisions for level 2 ICU care of baby. It has radiant warmer, CPAP machine, oxygen, suction facility, vital monitors, phototherapy and adult bed with adjustable back support for mother. In MNICU, there is hand washing station for mother and healthcare worker, nursing station and counseling area. Apart from this, it has a kitchen, dining area, bathroom and toilet for mother and surrogate to use and mother's examination room. In mother NICU, mother is the caregiver, changes the diaper, she feeds the baby and continuously monitors the baby, thus providing developmentally supportive care. Here mother is able to provide prolonged, continuous, effective KMC as long as 17 to 20 hours per day. The babies who require CPAP are also cared in KMC position and even tube feeding is given while in KMC position. Since these mothers have just delivered, obstetric team cares for mothers in MNICU itself. Thus, in MNICU, couplet care is provided. MNICU empowers mothers to take care of their small and preterm newborns. IKMC study results shows that newborns cared for in MNICU have 25% lesser mortality at 28 days of age and less chances of infection than those cared for in NICU.
Recently, Department of Pediatrics at Safdarjung Hospital has replicated the model of keeping sick and low birth weight babies with their mothers who are born outside hospital and brought here for treatment. This is the first tertiary care center in the country to initiate a mother newborn intensive care unit MNICU services for outborn babies in 15-bedded level 3 newborn ICU. Keeping mother and her sick baby together increases the opportunity for prolonged and effective kangaroo mother care practice, which is a proven intervention to reduce mortality and early and sustained breast milk feeding and early discharge from the hospital. To enable mothers to be with their sick newborns 24/7, mothers are being provided basic facilities which include food, bed, washrooms and bathing facilities within the neonatal intensive care unit.
MNICU is a facility where mother is a care provider and not a mere visitor.